What's going on, guys? John Elder here from Codemy.com, and in this video, we're going to fix our null profile pic for our app with Flask and Python. Alright guys, like I said, in this video, we're going to fix the null profile pic problem. But before we get started, if you like this video and want to see more like it, be sure to smash the like button below, subscribe to the channel, give me a thumbs up for the YouTube algorithm, and check out Codemy.com, where I have dozens of courses with thousands of videos that teach you to code. Use coupon code YouTube50 to get 50% off memberships, all my courses, videos, and books for one-time fee, which is insanely cheap. Okay, in the last video, we fixed the little problem that wouldn't allow us to save the profile picture. In this video, we want to fix a different profile that I noticed just a couple of minutes ago. So if we come into our dashboard and we change something like the About Author section here, and then we click Submit, look at this, our profile picture disappears. Because when we're submitting this form the second time, you'll notice there's no profile picture that has been selected here, right? So we don't want to have to pass in information to here every time this form gets loaded and then have to like re-upload it again every time. We don't want to do that. We're going to fix that in this video. So first off, let me just upload this picture again. Okay, and now we're back. So let's head over to our code. I'm using the Sublime Text Editor and the Git Bash terminal as always. And as always, you can find a link to the code in the pinned comment section below, as well as a link to the playlist with all the other Flask videos in this series. So check that out if you haven't so far. So I'm in my app.py file, and let's just come down to our dashboard function. Here it is. And if we look down here, we can see that right here is our profile picture, right? It's this request.files.profilepic. So right away, let's just do some logic. And let's say check for profile pic. And let's say if, and I'm just going to grab this whole thing right here. Then basically, we want to do all of this stuff. And let me just move this in there as well. So I'll copy this, pop that in there. And then let's just come through here and tab all of this stuff into the if statement. So there's our try block, there's our except. Okay, so just tab that over. Okay, so if there is a profile pic, we're gonna go ahead and do all this stuff. We're gonna, make our file name, upload it, put it in the database, do all the things, right? Else, we could say else, and this should actually be over a bit more. So we want this if statement to line up with this else. Else, we just want to commit the database, right? And then we probably also want to flash a little message and then return to the dashboard page. So we can paste all that in there. And it should go over. And I'm just going to put all of this on one line, just so we know where it is. And maybe we'll do it like this, just to make sure the tab stuff is correct. Okay, and that's pretty much all there is to it, I think. So let's head back over to our site here, and let's give this a try. So I'm going to come down here. John Elder is the founder of Codemy. Let's change this to Codemy.com. And you'll notice we do not have a profile pic selected. So normally if we click submit here, this thing would break. So let's see if this worked. Okay, it seems to have worked. And there we are. We can upload a different picture. Do this planking picture. I invented planking, if you didn't know. This is me in the very early 80s inventing planking. Right? So, okay, that seems to work. Let me go ahead and change this back just for fun. Okay, not much to it. A little quick fix will take care of this. And now we're good to go. So it seems like we've done a lot of stuff with this profile pic. Things keep breaking, but we just keep fixing them. So hopefully we'll be done with this profile pic stuff. We can move on to something else in the next video, and that should be fun. So that's all for this video. If you liked it, be sure to smash the like button below, subscribe to the channel, give me a thumbs up for the YouTube algorithm, and check out Codemy.com, where you can use coupon code YouTube50 to get 50% off membership. So it's access to all my courses, over 50 courses, thousands of videos, and the PDFs of all my best-selling coding books. Join over 150,000 students learning to code just like you. My name is John Elder from Codemy.com, and I'll see you in the next video.